The Camry model has been in the line of the Japanese automaker for a very long time, because the first generation was introduced in 1982. The current Camry has been on the market for just over 5 years, and we can assume that for the current sedan, a replacement is just around the corner. While there is no reliable information about the appearance of the future car, we can focus on the design of other new products from the Toyota. Among them is the all-new Toyota Crown, which premiered in the middle of this summer. The model received an original design, elements of which will surely take root on other models of the brand. The sedan presented in the renders retained its usual proportions, while it received a new front end with a large radiator grille and narrow horizontal headlights united by an LED strip of parking lights. The sides are made simpler and more rounded, and there are also new side mirrors. The most characteristic element of the rear is a horizontal LED strip that runs through the trunk lid. The new sedan may retain the GAK platform developed under the Toyota New Global Architecture program. It is also used by the new Toyota crossovers, Highlander and the Lexus ES sedan. It is likely that the model will lose the 3.5-liter gasoline V6. Instead, there will be a 4-cylinder turbocharged 2.4 with around 270 horsepower and 420 Nm of torque. The premiere of new Toyota Camry will most likely take place next year in 2023.